Let's learn about amazing tech gadgets and technology vocabulary. Let's begin. Computer. A computer is an electronic device used to process and store data. Laptop. A laptop is a portable computer. Trackpad. A trackpad is a touch-sensitive surface used to control the cursor. Tablet. A tablet is a portable device with a touchscreen interface. Graphics tablet. A graphics tablet is used for digital drawing and design. CPU. The CPU, or central processing unit, is the main processor of a computer. Hologram display. A hologram display creates three-dimensional projected visuals. Touchscreen. A touchscreen responds to touch input from users. Quantum computer. A quantum computer performs extremely complex calculations using quantum mechanics. Brain-computer interface. A brain-computer interface connects brain signals directly to machines. Smart glasses. Smart glasses display digital information on their lenses. Transparent screen. A transparent screen shows visuals on a see-through display. Robot. A robot is a programmable machine that performs tasks automatically. Humanoid robot. A humanoid robot looks and moves like a human. Robot dog. A robot dog is designed to resemble and move like a dog. Robotic arm. A robotic arm performs precise and automated movements. Exoskeleton. An exoskeleton is a wearable robotic suit that enhances strength and mobility. Retina scanner. A retina scanner identifies individuals using eye patterns. Self-driving car. A self-driving car operates without human control. Electric vehicle. An electric vehicle runs on electricity instead of fuel. Smart city. A smart city uses advanced technology to improve urban living. Industrial robot. An industrial robot performs automated tasks in factories. VR headset. A VR headset creates immersive virtual reality experiences. AR glasses. AR glasses overlay digital visuals onto the real world. Mixed reality. Mixed reality combines real and virtual environments. Fingerprint sensor. A fingerprint sensor scans fingerprints for identification. Face recognition. Face recognition identifies individuals using facial features. Biometric scanner. A biometric scanner uses physical traits for identification and security. Drone. A drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle. Quadcopter. A quadcopter is a drone with four propellers. Rocket. A rocket launches objects into space. Satellite. A satellite orbits Earth for communication and observation. Security camera. A security camera records and monitors activities. A smart mirror displays digital information on its surface. CCTV, or closed-circuit television, is used for surveillance and security. Smart doorbell. A smart doorbell shows visitors through a connected camera. Motion sensor. A motion sensor detects movement automatically. Smart lock. A smart lock allows remote and digital access control. Biometric lock. A biometric lock uses body-based recognition for access. Sensor. A sensor detects physical changes or environmental signals. Accelerometer. An accelerometer measures motion, direction, and speed changes. GPS tracker. A GPS tracker tracks location using satellite signals. A flying car can travel both on roads and in the air. Server. A server stores and provides data to other devices. Mainframe. A mainframe is a powerful computer used by large organizations. Data center. A data center houses multiple servers and computing systems. BIOS chip. The BIOS chip initializes hardware during the computer startup process. Printer. A printer produces physical copies of documents and images. 3D printer. A 3D printer creates physical objects layer by layer. Scanner. A scanner converts physical documents into digital files. CMOS battery. The CMOS battery stores system settings and maintains the clock. Inverter. An inverter converts electrical power for backup and device use. Generator. A generator produces electricity during power outages. Smart home hub. A smart home hub connects and controls smart devices. Home automation. Home automation allows automatic control of home systems. Voice assistant. A voice assistant responds to spoken commands. A smart refrigerator includes internet-connected features. Wind turbine. A wind turbine generates electricity from wind energy. Solar panel. A solar panel converts sunlight into electricity. Wireless power transfer. Wireless power transfer transmits electricity without wires. Smart traffic system. A smart traffic system manages traffic using advanced technology. Server rack. A server rack organizes multiple servers in one structure. Data server. A data server stores and manages digital information. Workstation. A workstation is a high-performance computer for demanding tasks. Monitor. A monitor displays visual output from a computer. Keyboard. A keyboard is used for typing and commands. Mouse. A mouse controls the cursor and user interactions. Projector. A projector displays visuals on large surfaces. Photocopier. A photocopier duplicates paper documents. All-in-one printer. An all-in-one printer can print, scan, and copy. Smartphone. A smartphone is a mobile device with apps and internet access. Foldable phone. A foldable phone features a flexible, foldable display. Smartwatch. A smartwatch is a wearable device with smart features. Charger. A charger supplies power to devices. Wireless charger. A wireless charger powers devices without cables. Power bank. A power bank stores portable backup power. Battery. A battery stores electrical energy. Camera. A camera captures photos and videos. DSLR camera. A DSLR camera uses a mirror and lens system for photography. Mirrorless camera. A mirrorless camera is a compact camera without a mirror mechanism. Action camera. An action camera records fast-moving activities. Drone camera. A drone camera captures aerial photos and videos. Webcam. A webcam records live video for online use. Microphone. A microphone captures sound. Speaker. A speaker produces audio output. Headphones. Headphones allow private listening. Wireless earbuds. Wireless earbuds are cable-free earphones. Router. A router distributes internet to devices. Mesh router. A mesh router extends internet coverage over large areas. Modem. A modem connects your network to the internet service provider. Network switch. A network switch connects multiple devices within a network. Network card. A network card enables device connectivity to a network. Ethernet. Ethernet is a wired network connection. Bluetooth. Bluetooth connects devices wirelessly over short distances. Wireless adapter. A wireless adapter adds Wi-Fi capability to devices. Smart TV. A smart TV provides internet-enabled entertainment. Streaming device. A streaming device plays online content on a screen. Game console. A game console is used for playing video games. Handheld console. A handheld console is a portable gaming device. OLED display. An OLED display offers vibrant colors and deep contrast. 4000 display. A 4000 display provides ultra-high resolution visuals. Curved display. A curved display offers a wider field of view. RAM, or random access memory, stores temporary data for fast processing. Solid-state drive. An SSD stores data with high speed and no moving parts. Hard drive. An HDD stores data using spinning disks. External SSD. An external SSD is portable high-speed storage. Motherboard. The motherboard connects all computer components. Chipset. The chipset manages communication between hardware components. Graphics card. A graphics card processes images and videos. Memory card. A memory card stores digital files. GPU. A GPU handles graphics and visual computations. Power supply. The power supply delivers electricity to components. Cooling fan. A cooling fan reduces heat inside devices. Liquid cooling. Liquid cooling uses fluid to manage heat. Heat sink. A heat sink absorbs and dissipates heat. Thermal paste. Thermal paste improves heat transfer between components. Radiator. A radiator helps remove heat from cooling systems. PC case. A PC case houses and protects components. Airflow system. An airflow system improves cooling efficiency. USB drive. A USB drive stores and transfers data. Great job, everyone! Today we learned many amazing tech gadgets and technology vocabulary. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more learning videos like this.